Our resident dietitian Simone is back today with another healthy recipe.
Risotto is a great meal to prepare in advance. The carbohydrate from the rice has a good energy boost for those who need it. Brown off the chicken and set aside. Fry the onion until soft and add the garlic. Cook for another minute. Add in the arborio rice and stir until the oil has coated the rice. Pour in some white wine and let it bubble before adding the chicken stock. Simmer for 10 minutes before stirring in some more white wine, the chicken, the frozen peas and some canned corn. Cook for about 5 minutes. Mix 4 scoops of Ensure vanilla powder, which has 28 vitamins and minerals, with a little water to form a runny paste. Stir in and add some grated Parmesan cheese. Take off the heat and allow to sit for 5 minutes before serving. Season with some pepper and garnish with some herbs. I'm going to use parsley. For this easy dinner meal, grab some Ensure vanilla powder from any participating pharmacy.